Team Group, the world's leading memory brand, today officially announces the launch of the TUF Gaming Alliance certified T-Force VULCAN TUF Gaming Alliance memory, which is strictly tested by motherboard leader ASUS. After the cooperative launch with ASUS ROG, T-Force Dark ROG has created a trend around the world. Now once again, with creativity and ingenuity, Team Group design team adds TUF's unique military camouflage pattern on the heat spreader. T-Force VULCAN TUF Gaming Alliance memory is definitely gamers' best comrade on the battlefield of gaming or pursuit of extreme overclocking. T-Force VULCAN TUF Gaming Alliance has passed strict burn-in test held by ASUS. With clock frequency of up to 3600 MHz, it offers consumers an experience of high-speed performance in a hardware with unique style. The memory is both distinctive and eye-catching. With complete coverage design, the area of the high-efficiency forged heat spreader is extended to the top and the two sides to provide memory a complete coverage of protection and enhance the radiating performance, so the system is able to maintain a long-time stable operation. The appearance is designed with unique military camouflage pattern. T-Force VULCAN TUF Gaming Alliance's exclusive asymmetrical cutting is most suitable for gamers who love military-style design. T-Force VULCAN TUF Gaming Alliance series supports Intel XMP 2.0. It is only one click away to experience the high-speed sensation of overclocking. It is not only energy-saving but the low working voltage can also reduce the temperature and the heat generated to offer the high-speed running memory a stable, long-time operation and to show a barrier-breaking performance. With strong research and development capability, Team Group has acquired the certifications of TUF Gaming Alliance and ROG certified respectively. T-Force gaming memory is strictly tested by ASUS. With ASUS motherboard, users can have the entire top gaming hardware at once to fully enjoy an extreme gaming and entertainment experience.